Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So about a year ago I put a custom gauge overlay in my 2002 Camaro. I got it from GM Gauge Specialist, and I mentioned in that video I'd like to have something customized for this car, and so that's what we're doing today. Okay, so here's my package from GM Gauge Specialist. Now I really like the one that's in the car. I like the design of it, but I wanted something to match my car a little more, where I got the white car with orange stripes. So this is what we come up with. I didn't really change anything other than instead of the red and the black carbon fiber, it's white with orange. And I'm not going to do a full install just because I got that on the other video, and you can go and watch that if you need to. So I'll just show you what this one looks like after I get it in. Maybe I'll highlight a few of the tips there for changing them. Okay, for the first tip, you want to remove the plastic bezel off your gauges first, because if you try to pull them out together, there's not enough room. And once you do that, you want to take your phone and you want to get a picture of where the needles are with the ignition on. So you get the ignition on, take a picture, and then when you go to put the needles back on, you want them roughly in the same place that they are right now. Okay, now the next tip is wear some clean gloves before you start handling this, because you don't want, especially the new one, because you don't want fingerprints all over it, because they're hard to get off. And then as far as needles go, I just take the needles by hand, just pull them off. There's one, and I will set them kind of in order so I know which ones go where. I'll set them up here on the dash. Okay, once we have it out, there's still one more thing that has to be done. We'll pull this off. The original one's glued on, so you have to be careful taking it off. This one here is just, it's not really glued on, just some of the glue that was left over from the original. Okay, this little tab right here for your tack. If you're not using the Trans Am bezel, which a lot of them put a Trans Am bezel in it. If you're not, you're going to have to drill a hole in the new one for this little pin right here, because that holds your tack. Okay, so once you get your hole drilled, you can put your little pin back in. Okay guys, there it is, all installed. I like it because it matches the car better with the white car with the orange stripes. And we'll just turn it on here and see it lit up. Okay, so remember to go check out GM Gauge Specialist, see what they got for different designs. And like I said, they'll do custom designs. And if you need any more info on how to do this, I got a full video up on the channel. Anyway guys, hope this video helps somebody out, and we'll catch you in the next one.